Hi everyone, happy Wednesday to all of my pre-K kids, parents, and guardians. I'm glad you all tuned in for another fun pre-K activity. What I have lined up for you all are making a rainbow. And with the rainbow, we use the acronym Roy G. Biv. Now, Roy G. Biv stands for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So these are the colors we're going to use for our rainbow. Some other supplies you all need: a sponge, paintbrush, and of course your paper. So let's get started in this fun-filled, colorful activity. As you all can see, I have everything set up and ready to make my rainbow. My paper, my sponge, and the paint set up. So you want to take each color, your red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, and place it onto the sponge. And instead of using the sponge, you can just use your paintbrush. So if you stick with the sponge, you have each color lined up accordingly on the sponge. And just because I want to have the paper closer in view for you all, I decided to hold my paper up. However, it is best to do it on a flat surface. So you take your sponge or your paintbrush and take each color and smear it across the paper. With the sponge, it'll take quite a few times in order to get the full color onto the page. Just smear that sponge across your paper. And eventually you'll get this beautiful rainbow. So with your pre-K kid, you can go through the colors of the rainbow, recognizing each color. And there you have it. Beautiful rainbow. Well, there you have it. Colors of the rainbow, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. I know you all will do an awesome job with your rainbow. Keep up the good work. With using patience for your artwork to dry, it will be ready to display. Continue to join us for a special preschool Bible lesson and more every first Sunday and every Wednesday by tuning into Kids Town YouTube channel. See you next time.